Once upon a time, in the vibrant neighborhood of Mapletown, there lived two twin brothers, John and Smith. Although identical in appearance, their approaches to life couldn't have been more different. John was the embodiment of discipline. His day was meticulously planned, with each hour accounted for, especially as his tests approached. He would carefully schedule his study sessions, ensuring that he balanced his learning with moments of relaxation, never letting one overwhelm the other. Smith, on the other hand, lived by the principle of go with the flow. While his brother pored over textbooks, Smith hitched himself to his gaming console, immersing himself in virtual worlds where time seemed to fade away. Their parents, Mrs. and Mr. Thompson, observed their sons with curiosity. They nurtured a hope that Smith would see the folly of his ways, gently nudging him towards responsibility without disrupting the boy's natural development. The day before the tests arrived sooner than Smith had expected. "Are you ready, Smith?" John asked as he tucked his notes into his backpack. Smith shrugged, eager to finish another level in his game. But as night fell, a wave of panic washed over Smith. The pages were filled with concepts he couldn't grasp at a glance. Sleep didn't come easy that night, the realization of time wasted weighing heavily on him. The next morning, under the bright lights of the classroom, John breezed through his exams, his preparation evident in the calm demeanor he wore. Smith, however, struggled to recall anything from his last-minute cramming session. As results day came, John's efforts were rewarded with top grades and a proud smile from his teachers. Smith, contrite, faced the reality of his choices, his scores a reminder of time squandered. That night, as the twins lay in their shared room, Smith turned to John. "I wish I had listened to you." John replied with a kind heart, "It's never too late to learn, brother. Each day is a new opportunity." And so, Smith took those words to heart. He began to value his time, learning to balance play with responsibility. The lesson was a difficult one, but essential, marking a new chapter for the twins. In the end, the twins grew not just as brothers, but as best friends, each supporting the other in their endeavors. Through understanding and growth, Smith discovered the gift of time management, ensuring that the tick of the clock was an ally rather than an adversary. The lesson was clear: a moment well spent is a future well prepared. And from then on, in the cozy Thompson household of Mapletown, the soft hum of life was marked not by the hours lost, but by the moments cherished.